Hello and thank you for installing the QR code generator add-on for Google Spreadsheets. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the brand new feature I have added, and that's the support for your own templates. If you are an existing user, that you know that before you were only able to encode one single QR code and one text value in the output document. With templates, now you can design your own templates and affect how the output document's gonna look like. So let me guide you through. When you open the add-on and you click the Create Sample Template, the add-on creates a document in your Google Drive and creates this demo sheet. Let's have a look how templates look like. Each template is defined in its own Google document. And in order to define a template, you need to insert so-called the main table. The main table defines then how the output document is gonna look like. All you have to do, you have to define so-called tags or placeholders in the very first cell of the table. Here we can see we have 4 tags. Each tag must be enclosed in double curly brackets. Otherwise, it will be treated as a normal text. What's the purpose of the tag? Basically, the add-on then replaces all occurrences of the text with values from a Google Sheet. I'm gonna show you later how to do that. Now let's focus on the template. So we have the text where you would like to have values from a spreadsheet. Then number of columns in the main template defines how many columns will be in the output document. So in this case, the add-on will create 3 columns in the output document and will place 3 entries in the per row in the output document. If I remove a column, then add-on would place only 2 entries per row in the output document. Then for each tag or the add-on now is capable to merge 2 types of values into tag. Either it's gonna be a QR code or it's gonna be a text value. If you wanna put in a text value, you can also adjust the formatting of a tag, and that will be taken in account in the output document. So in this case, the product name will be in red and email will be in bold. As well as you can adjust other settings, you can change background colors, you can insert images, tables, drawings, and also you can adjust the page setup. All this I will be covering in further videos. Now let's focus on this sample template. So we have a template definition, we have a main table, we define the text, and now we can go back to the add-on. The next step you need to do, you need to provide the mapping. The mapping editor helps you to map data from a spreadsheet to the text. Here on the left side, you can see a list of text from a template, from the currently loaded template. And on the right, you need to specify where to take the data from which column, and how to process them in the output document. So for the product code as a QR, I want to take data from the code column, and I would like to process them as a QR code, and let's say in medium size. For the product name, I want to take data from a name column and simply process them as a text. There are no more options for the text fields now, so just keep it like this. For the email, I want to take data from the email column and as a text as well. And for email as a QR, we take values from email column, but in this case as a QR code, and let's say in small size. We can now save the mapping. And as I have mapped all the text to source columns, now we can generate the output document. There is one difference when you use templates. When you use just the old way. Basically, there you made a selection, and the add-on encoded the values in that given selection. When you use templates, the add-on processes all rows in a sheet. So in this case, it processed 5 data rows and merged them into the output document. So as we can see here, we have 5 values. Uh, we have 3 entries per row because in the template we defined 3 columns. We have encoded the code, product code in the medium size QR code. We have a product name in red and bold. We have the email in bold and the same email value encoded in the smaller QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching.